In the last video, we have set up the Primavera project, then exported Excel file with the required data for our reports. After that, we have linked the data inside Power BI and Excel, then cleaned the data and tested the data. This video is based on the information and attachments for video number 2, so it is essential to review it. This video is for Power BI only, and the next will be for Excel. From this final report, I will do only the overall information. From Primavera, this is the overall information. Let's fix it in the screen to check our report results. Now let's open Power BI desktop. From the previous example, I will remove these visuals. Go to Model. As you can see here, the task table column names are difficult to read. Let's do something to arrange it and clean it. Let me select all the date fields. From Properties, Display folder, I put them under folder called Dates. Here arrange it under Date. Date type is Date, and date format for all of them is Day, Day, Month, 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 Year, Year. For Cost, I will select the fields for Cost and group them under Cost, Data, Format decimal number, and make thousand separators. Decimal places, I'll make it 0. For the units display folder, units, I'll make it here whole number with thousands separator. The other fields I will put under general folder. Let me change the field name, actual end date, actual, finish, actual, start, baseline start date, start, baseline end date, remain start, remain finish. For the cost, it will be total cost, PCWB, earned value, PCWS, schedule value. For units, actual work quantity, actual units, target work quantity, total units, schedule work quantity, schedule units. For general, I'll modify it later. Let's return back to the report. Now you can see that the fields and the data are organized. The first visual, I will make the current progress data. From visuals, I will take matrix. The first value, it will be overall cost. So I will take here from the cost, total cost, and drag it to values and make sure it is in the sum. The second, it will be overall earned value. This is the earned value. From format, search for row. In the value, switch value to rows. So now it is arranged. Return back to the data. For data date, let me go to data. In the field of remain start, if I arrange the field to sort ascending, you will find that the minimum data, it will be the data date. Return back to report, drag the remain start make sure it is in the earliest and double click the name to make it data date. After that, we have the baseline start. I can take baseline start earliest also, double click to rename the field. Baseline completion date, it will be baseline finish, and I will select the latest and remove latest. Actual start, I will take the actual start, earliest also. And the forecast completion, it will be the remain finish, and we will take the latest. That's enough for this video. Next video, we will create the first measure about delay or ahead, then do the conditional format for delay and completion date. We will create the gauge chart for performance versus schedule percentage. And finally, manpower data. In the description, you will find the link for the Power BI file for whatever we discussed. Stay tuned. See you next video. Enjoy automation.